Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a fantastic Tuesday. Today for my Try It Out Tuesday, we're trying out a doodle stamp, and I was so excited when Doodlebug came out with their own stamp sets. So this one here is called Hoppy Easter, and I have the Doodlebug's 6x6 paper pad also that's called Hoppy Easter. Adorable little images. If you're a fan of Doodlebug like I am, you're going to love this little stamp set. Today we're going to make an Easter card using both of these. So we're going to start off by doing some stamping. I'm going to bring in my mini Misty here, and there's quite a few images of little bunnies in the stamp set, but I like the taller one. We're going to place a piece of Neenah 80-pound cardstock in here. It's a alcohol marker friendly paper. We'll grab our little Easter basket. There's a little blade of grass in there that has an Easter egg and a flower on it. And then there's one single little Easter grass piece. And then there's an egg. We're going to grab that. And of course our little bunny. We're going to ink our images up with Memento TUXEDO black ink. And then we're going to do some coloring. Now I did leave the coloring in and I left the caps out along with the colors in the left hand corner for you guys. But while I color, I will play a little bit of music for you, and when I'm finished with the coloring, I will get you back. Okay, coloring is all done. I chose some nice bright colors. Easter just says bright to me. I'm going to use my scissors and fussy cut each one of my elements out. Now there are coordinating dies that go with the doodle stamps, and I'll list them down below in case you guys prefer dies versus fussy cutting. But for my front panel, I have a piece of white cardstock, and I'm using a double-stitched rectangle die to cut out a panel that measures 4 inches by 5 1/4. And then I have 2 circle dies. I'm actually going to grab a smaller circle die for my card front here. I wanted the pattern paper to be matted on the inside of my window, so I thought a smaller one would work better. So using the plaid pattern paper from the 6x6 paper pad, I'll cut out a window in my pattern paper and also in my front panel here. This is going to be layered on top like this. Okay, after we have this done, I'm taking a piece of white cardstock, and I wanted to add a little bit of a cloudy background behind my window here. So I brought out my mini cloud edges stencil, and using the largest circle die that I used, I'm just going to draw with my pencil a circle. This way I know where to add my little cloudy sky. I'm going to be using some Distress Oxide ink. This is Tumbled Glass. And I'm just twisting and turning my stencil around until I fill in that entire pencil mark circle. And I didn't bother erasing my circle marks, pencil marks, because you won't be able to see it behind there. Okay, I'm going to take my scissors and just trim down this panel. And whenever I make my clouds, I always not sure which way they go, upside down or right side up. I had to play with the paper placement a little bit. Using my tape runner, I'm going to line this up behind my window here with my pencil marks as a guide. and then I'm just going to tape it down directly to my card base. My card base is a A2 size standard card base. And then I'm going to go ahead and adhere my pattern paper behind my front panel here, just using my tape runner. And I was going to adhere it directly to my card base and change my mind, and so I had sticky behind there. I'm just going to use my finger to erase some of my tape runner since I went outside my lines here. Okay, we'll line this up on our card base, and then we'll kind of arrange the way we want our little elements to go. I thought it'd be fun to create a row with them straight across my panel here. Just doing a little tucking with the basket and the little greenery. And then we'll take our sentiment. Lots of sentiments in the stamp set, and I just chose Easter wishes. I'm going to place that right below my images, and then I'm going to bring in my mini Misty. This will just ensure that I have everything nice and crisp when I stamp my sentiment. I'm using VersaFine ONYX black ink for my sentiment, and I'm stamping directly on my card front here. Okay, I wanted to add a little bit of dimension to my front panel, so we're going to remove our images, and I'm going to add some double-sided foam tape behind the back side here. And we'll remove the release paper and just add this directly to our card base. Just making sure it's centered. This seems to be my go-to size panel because I like that little white border along the edges. Okay, for my images, I'm going to add some foam tape behind here, and we're going to just reline them up right above our sentiment. And then for my bunny, I thought he should stand out a little bit more, so we're going to add one more piece of foam tape behind him. This way he's popped up one level higher. We'll add our last little egg and our little piece of grass. Today's card's a pretty simple one, but I just think it turned out just super cute. Okay, for finishing touches, I'm going to bring in some little hearts. These are from Doodlebug also. I think these came in a Simon kit, but they're the tiny heart-shaped sprinkles. And then I'm going to grab a yellow, a pink, and a green heart. And we're going to basically put it right above that little basket. And I thought I got them a little too low, so I'm going to readjust them a little bit. And then, last but not least, we're going to add some sparkle with some Nouveau glitter drops. These are White Blizzard. And I'm just going to add them to a few of the eggs to give my panel a little sparkle. But that completes my card for today, guys. Thanks for joining me for my Try It Out Tuesday. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'll link all the products down below in case you guys are interested. And then if you want to see still shots, you can visit my blog. I'll link that below too. Have a fantastic day, guys. We will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.